Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Disney Plus on your Apple TV. This video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you no longer use Disney Plus. Why have it on your Apple TV, right? Maybe you've unsubscribed to Disney Plus and no longer need it. Either way, guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to do this is that you're actually going to toggle over Disney Plus and then click and hold this center icon here until Disney Plus appears with the toggle menu. So this toggle menu says edit home screen, it says move to, and then it says delete app. So go ahead and click on delete app, and that's going to remove Disney Plus from your Apple TV. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and delete Disney Plus from your Apple TV. Again, you just need to click and hold this center icon here, wait until that toggle menu appears, and then delete Disney Plus. So if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.